Jeff Heenan here with the Gotrax G4 scooter. So the G4 is the latest electric scooter from Gotrax. It has some changes compared to the models that they've released before. Now, on the G4, the batteries are in the deck, and it has the charge port down here too for the first time. Little rubber connector there. Has bigger 10-inch tires, and the motor is in the rear. Now this time it's got a 350 watt motor, so this scooter really climbs hills like a beast. It'll climb hills at over 15 miles an hour, the steepest ones I could find. So that's a welcome addition. It has disc brake on the rear as well as regenerative braking. Don't really feel the regenerative braking on this one so much. Maybe it's because it's on the rear. The previous scooters like the XR and GXL had all the regenerative braking on the front, so you could really feel it when it kicked in. Now, the folding mechanism is different on the G4 also. So they put in this nice safety latch, which is really easy to open, folds right down, and then there's a little catch back here just like before that hooks it onto the rear fender. Now there's a safety mechanism here that locks in once you put it back in. Now another addition that they didn't even talk about in the specs is this nice cable lock here. So you go somewhere with your scooter, you want to lock it up, you pull this out, set a combination, and you can make sure no one's going to be stealing it. So that's really nice. So I added this keypad lock on the scooter also, so you have to dial in your code. Now the factory code is 000. Probably want to change that pretty quick. Dial that in, you hit the power button twice, and it unlocks the scooter. Now, if you don't unlock the scooter, it's very hard to push. They somehow use the regen on the motor to slow it down so that you can't push it away if it's locked. Okay, so they give you a bell on here. The nice thing about the display now is it tells you how many miles you've went. So I've gone 10.2 miles. I was using the high speed level 2. I was going 20 miles an hour a lot of times, so I depleted the battery pretty good. I was coming back, and this will start flashing when it's on reserve, and it cuts your speed to maybe 7, 8 miles an hour, but it made it all the way back. Now they advertise this scooter as having 25 miles range. I think that's in level 1 where you're limited to like 15.8 miles an hour. Level 2, I think it's really sucking the power down. So, you know, if you have a long way to go, I'd probably keep it in level 1. Another great addition to the G4 is the lighting system. So the lights are really good, nice and bright. Looks almost like a car headlight at night, and they've added a light up tail light, which wasn't in the specs. It said it had a reflector, but it's actually a light up tail light, and it has a braking function where it flashes when you're braking. So that's really nice too. None of the Gotrax scooters previously had a tail light. You'd have to put something on there. This makes it a lot safer to ride at night. So those are my first impressions on the G4. Really like it. The bigger tires definitely soak up the bumps better than the 8.5 inch tires on other scooters. It's taken a little bit get used to the rear wheel drive. It does handle a little bit differently, and the deck's longer, so you know it may not be as maneuverable as the scooters like the XR Ultra and the GXL. It's also heavier, weighs about 36 pounds, but it's not really noticeable. I mean, you're not going to carry it too far anyway. You're gonna probably just carry it to your car, your trunk, or bring it in your office or whatever. But yeah, it's easily carryable when it's folded up. So those are my thoughts. I'm gonna also compare this to the XR Ultra, which I also own. I'm gonna show like the size differences and range and some other features there. I still like the XR Ultra, but I think this is the top of the line scooter for Gotrax now, and probably the one most people are gonna want. So please remember to like and subscribe for more videos on electric scooters, tech products, and Wi-Fi, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video.